Hi, it's Kathy, Crafty Chica. Did you know when I am not crafting, I'm designing products for retail stores? Take a look at a recent collection I had last year and currently for Barnes & Noble stores all over the country. This was really cool. They had me design some desk calendars, list pads, journals, and this weekly planner. It came out so beautiful. I was so proud to have this design out in the world for people to purchase. Well, guess what? I have a new weekly planner for Barnes & Noble. It goes from July 2023 to December 2024. It has all of these features in it. It's available now at your local Barnes & Noble store. You can go to bn.com, type in Crafty Chica in the search bar, and all of my products exclusive for Barnes & Noble will come up. You can put in your zip code to see if they're sold at your local store, or you could just have them delivered. The theme for the past planner was do it for your future self, and the theme for this new planner is Amor y Vida, love and life, because that's what we want to plan for all of our days, right? To bring in a lot of love and abundance into our life, prosperity and health and success, all of that. And you can put it all together in this planner. It has little stickers that you can use, or you could even use those in your craft projects. It has a month at a glance view for every month, and then it also breaks down journal sections. And there you have it, the 2024 Crafty Chica Planner for Barnes & Noble stores. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and happy planning!